Today we are going to install guides into our new B-Series race casting. Today we are going to install guides into our new B-Series race casting. So what we're going to do is we'll lubricate all the bores with a special concoction that we've made here. And then I've got the guides in liquid nitrogen. So we'll pull them out. We've already got the lubricant in the bores, and then we'll just stick them in one by one. I am using an air hammer to install the guide, but I won't actually use the air hammer portion of it unless I have to. Maybe just give it one or two bumps till it hits the stop on the guide. Let's go ahead and get it done. All right, so we have the guides installed now, and at this point we're gonna go ahead and install the seats. We're gonna do Beryllium exhaust seats and a steel intake seat. So we've already put them in the liquid nitrogen. We're gonna pull them out now, lube up our bores, and get the seats installed. What did I say at the ending?
Now on to the valve job.
Oh, okay, yeah, we could just do that. All right, we got all the seats installed now, so off to the valve job.